This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Dodge Viper. Begin by sketching the fundamental geometric forms that define the car's powerful body. Focus on establishing the correct overall length and width to capture its aggressive stance. Use light, flowing lines to outline the main silhouette, ensuring you get the basic proportions right before adding details. This initial step is crucial for a successful drawing. Now, let's add the Viper's signature features. Carefully outline the distinctive crosshair grille and the sleek, aggressive headlights that give it character. Next, define the long, muscular hood and the prominent side vents, which are key to its powerful look. Don't forget to sketch the large, performance-oriented wheels and low-profile tires, ensuring they fit the wheel wells proportionally. These details bring the car to life. With the main features in place, it's time to refine the smaller details. Add the precise door lines, side mirrors, and any other subtle elements that enhance realism. Begin applying basic shading to give your drawing depth and a three-dimensional quality. Use darker lines to emphasize the car's powerful contours and to suggest shadows, making the Viper appear more dynamic and realistic on paper. For the final touches, enhance your shading to create a more realistic interplay of light and shadow across the Viper's body. Add subtle reflections to the windows and body panels to give it a polished, glossy appearance. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different angles and details. Also, check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.